Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's fix Roblox Error Code 429. So first of all, you're gonna have to press Windows and R, and from here type in %LocalAppData%. As you do that, click onto it and enter. It'll open up your file manager, and from here click on Anywhere, then type in T. You will see Temp folder. Double click onto it, select everything that you can, then select Delete. Now these temp folder will reappear again, so you may go ahead delete everything that you can, and for those things who you cannot delete, you may go ahead and skip it. Once this is done, close it. Now next what you have to do is select this three bar icon, scroll all the way below, select Settings. Under Settings from your left hand side you will see Privacy and Security. Under Privacy and Security you will see Delete Browsing Data. So you're going to have to simply clear the cache and some data of Chrome. For example, if you have been using the Roblox in a browser, and if the browser is Firefox, you're going to have to clear the cache and data for Firefox. If it's Chrome, repeat the same process and clear the data and cache for Chrome. And then, once you do so, restart your device and it will fix your problem. Thank you for watching. If it helped, leave a like and sub. We will catch you up soon.